Hello and welcome to Western Civilization. I am Mrs. Barbara Cook and I will be your instructor for this semester for this course. I am going to use this video as a tutorial to help you navigate the course. The first thing we're going to do is go over here to the left, click on the announcements, and this is where I will put any information pertaining to the course or you. Usually I will put updates here for the assignments to make sure that you are paying attention and making sure that you are doing your assignments on time. You need to have really good time management skills for an online course, which means you need to be coming on here daily to make sure that you are keeping on schedule. Next is the syllabus link. Make sure that you go here and download the syllabus. Most of the questions that you may have, the answers will be in that syllabus. If not, please don't hesitate to email me with your questions or concerns, and I will get back with you as soon as I can. Your textbook information is also here. You 100% need the textbook to be successful in this course. You cannot pass this class without the textbook. There are two versions. You can buy the hard copy or the ebook. There is an ebook for this course, and it's also going to have a link in course material. But you cannot access this link unless you have already purchased the ebook. The ebook is just not free. You have to purchase it. This tutorial will be in the Begin course here. If you're watching this, you have already found that. The attendance verification, this is 100% mandatory for all online students to take. This is a way to ensure that you are participating and that you are in the course. Your financial aid is dependent on this, so I cannot mark you as attending until you do this first attendance verification assignment. So make sure that you get that done as soon as possible. All of your course work will be in the course material. Each chapter has its own link. There you'll see also the ebook. Again, you have to purchase the ebook to access that. When you are ready for chapter 1, you will click on it. You will get an outline. This is a really great textbook that we're using. It gives you a lot of great resources. Here's the outline that you can follow along with while you're reading. Jot down some notes. And there's flashcards, maps, and worksheets. Now, I will not grade you on any of the worksheets or maps or the interpreting the visual evidence questions. Those are there for you to have a better understanding of the material that you are reading in each chapter. Once you have read the chapter, gone over some of these worksheets to help you better understand it, you can even watch some of these author videos. This is really helpful in that you're listening to the author give you the information on some of the material throughout the chapter. When you're ready, though, you go to the review quiz. You can only access these quizzes one time. You cannot go in, answer a few questions, and come back to it. You must answer all the questions within one sitting. You also have only 30 minutes to answer these questions, so make sure that you are completing these in a timely manner, because once that 30 minutes is over, it will automatically submit, and you will be graded on the work that you have done when it submits. Your discussion questions will be here. There are 4. So you will answer these before their due dates. Now, make sure that you are not plagiarizing. You cannot copy and paste from a textbook or any other source or any AI programs or software. That is plagiarism. And anyone that does do this will receive a grade of 0 and could be taken out of the class for plagiarism. I don't want that to happen to you. I want you to be successful. So answer these in your own words. This also helps me know that you are understanding the material that you are reading. Exams, there are 2 exams for this class, and you will go to the exams link, and they are both there. You can also look at how you are progressing by going to My Grades. I'm not sure why there are two attendance verification assignments listed here. You're only doing the one, and you'll see your grade on that as well. But each one of these assignments is here for you, and over to the right side you will see what your grade is once you have completed that. There is a total of 500 points for this class, so that you can see how you're doing once you have completed the assignments. Every assignment has a due date. You must get those assignments done by their due dates. Once they shut off, they will not be turned back on, because everything is available to you from day one. Now, you can work in advance. I highly recommend doing that. That way you are making sure that you are not missing those due dates. I've had students in the past complete the course within 2-3 weeks, and that's fine, as long as you're working at a pace where you are doing well and you are not, just rushing through it and not doing well, and you're not going to get a good grade. So just take your time, but get things done in advance so you're not missing those deadlines. Again, I hope that we have a great semester, and please email me if you have any questions or concerns.